Welcome to the video tutorial on Project Dashboard. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the Project Dashboard screen. We will be covering the features of Add Member, Clone Site and Delete Site as well in this tutorial. So let's log in with our details. As you can see, the Project Dashboard screen shows all the projects created by you. Now let's go through all these fields one by one. This field represents the name of your project site. This is the Visit Site icon. Click Visit Site to get a preview of this project on the front-end site. The blue icon shows the admin who has the access to the controls and management of this project. Now let's come to the site snapshot. As the name suggests, this tab gives you a brief snapshot on the total amount of sales made by the project till date, the total amount of current day sales made by the project, the total amount of refunds initiated in this project till date, the total number of members in this project till date, and the total number of comments posted for this project till date. Now let's explore this icon on the top right. You will see 4 fields in the drop-down. The Manage Site button will take you to a whole new world of features. This field is covered in a separate tutorial. Next we have is the Add Member field. Click here and you will get the Add Member pop-up on the screen. Now let's see how this works. As you can see, we have various fields. Now let's get going by entering some dummy data, starting with the member detail. Enter the email ID of the member. Choose the relevant country from the drop-down. Now I need you to do one thing. Press enter on your keyboard or else click anywhere on this pop-up and the fields of name and password for the new member will appear. Enter the name and the password. Next we have is the membership plan. Click here and you will see the drop-down of all the existing plans created in this project. Choose the relevant plan from this drop-down. In the transaction receipt field, you may enter the transaction ID generated by the payment processor, or you may leave it blank for the system to generate it for you. Click here and you will see a drop-down of all the existing payment gateways. Select the payment gateway through which you would want to process the payment transactions for this member. Once you have chosen a plan for the member, system sets the default amount, price and dates for the plan from the current date itself. You may manually change the amount in the beginning date and the expiry date of the membership plan as well. Enter the total fee, if any, charged to this member in this field. The last field represents the subscription status of the member. Choose the relevant status for the member from the drop-down. Now let's explore these 3 buttons on the left. Please see that the member will be enabled by default in the system. You may toggle anytime to disable the user from the membership. In case you want to notify the user or member about his subscription, turn this button on. In case you are giving the user or member a free access to the plans, turn this on. Now let's hit save to add these details to the record. This is how you can add innumerable members to your project site. We will now be redirected to the Project Dashboard screen. The third field in the icon is Clone Site. Clone Site allows you to create an exact copy of the existing project site. Click here and you will get the Clone Site pop-up. Give another name of your choice to the site. Add a new site slug. Please note the site URL once set cannot be changed. Toggle between Clone Plan, Clone Category and Clone Content as per your requirements and click Clone Site. Once cloned, you will be redirected to the project dashboard, displaying your cloned site as well. The fourth field in the drop-down is Delete the project site. Click here in case you want to delete the project. A pop-up will appear to reconfirm the deletion process. Click yes if you are sure or else click no. With this, we complete the tutorial on Project Dashboard. Thank you for taking time to watch this video.